Today our topic different experiments to prove that DNA is the genetic material. So there the first experiment we are discussing Griffith. So here a Griffith experiment, Griffith he conducted experiments on Streptococcus pneumonia and also used on mice. He injected Streptococcus pneumonia bacteria in mice. Anyway, first we have to know the Streptococcus pneumonia, two types of strains are present. One is smooth strain, another one is a rough strain. Here the smooth strains are having a capsule, smooth capsule that made up of polysaccharide. Here no capsule, so that is why it is a rough variety. Due to the presence of capsule, polysaccharides are there. It's a smooth and it is a virulent bacteria. It is purely virulent, which cause disease. Here, no capsule, it is a avirulent bacteria. It is a virulent bacteria. Now, what are the steps? What experiments he conducted on mice by using Streptococcus pneumonia? So, first he injected avirulent bacteria, avirulent bacteria. It means rough bacteria, no capsule, into mice. He injected that avirulent bacteria into mice. Their mice survived. No harm. Is avirulent? No harm. Whereas when he injected virulent bacteria, it is a smooth variety. It is a smooth variety into mice. Mice died because it is virulent. Then what his step is, he heated virulent bacteria. Heated. When he heats virulent bacteria, bacteria died. It means that bacteria is now called as heat killed virulent bacteria. Heat killed virulent bacteria. It is killed totally. Plus avirulent bacteria mixing. Heat killed virulent. Avirulent bacteria into mice. Actually, what he thought is it dead, avirulent living, so mice should survive. But at that condition, mice died. Surprisingly, Griffith concluded, yes, something happened, something transferred from heat-killed virulent bacteria to avirulent bacteria, then avirulent bacteria transformed to virulent bacteria. So, which caused disease in mice, so that is why mice died. So, that is clearly genetic material, but properly he doesn't conclude it. It's not properly, he didn't clearly explain that DNA is a genetic material. So later on, after many years, the three scientists conducted the same experiment. That same experiment they updated. They updated, little bit updated. Same experiment. So what they concluded, yes, it is a avirulent bacteria, living avirulent bacteria converted into virulent bacteria because of genetic material is transferred from the genetic material transformed from the heat killed virulent to avirulent bacteria. So that is why avirulent bacteria becomes virulent bacteria cause disease in mice. How they concluded? Scientist MacLeod, McCarthy, Avery. These three scientists conducted experiment. They used protease. They used protease. When they used protease, that should stop the function of polysaccharide protein. So, which inhibits the activity of protein. When they used the protease, their mice died. It means proteins are not at all genetic material. Proteins are not playing an important role. So that is why proteins are not involving based on that conclusion. Then I used RNase. RNA. Suppose RNA is the genetic material in that bacteria. They thought like that. So when they used RNase, generally RNase inhibits the activity of RNA. So when you used RNase, their mice dead. And later on they used DNase. So DNase inhibits the activity of DNA. So when they applied DNA at that condition, mice survived. It means when they stops the activity of DNA, that DNA never act on mice, so mice survived. Based on that conclusion, DNA is the genetic material in Streptococcus pneumonia. In bacteria, DNA is the genetic material. That genetic material play an important role in transformation. That is the conclusion of McLeod and Carty and Avery. Thank you. Thank you to all.